After over 2 decades, it's official, Skype is shutting down in May 2025. Today, I'll tell you exactly what's happening, what you need to do, and how to migrate your data with Teams for free. But there is a catch. Skype for Business is still not shutting down. They're just shutting down the regular Skype. So if you're also a Skype user and you have got some chats there, you have got contacts there, you want to go ahead and export them or maybe migrate the data with Teams, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Editors. Let's dive into the process and protect our data before it is too late. Go ahead and open up any one of your browsers like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge and simply open skype.com. Type skype.com in the web address bar and right away you're gonna see this window. Well, I'm already logged into my account, so you might have to log into your account when you will go to skype.com. You may have to enter username and password to get into this window. So as soon as you log into your Skype account in your web browser, you're going to see this window. Goodbye Skype, hello Teams. The next, you go ahead and click on this button is Start Using Teams. This will open in a new tab and you would be prompted to open Teams application. Eventually, I already have Teams installed on my computer. I can go ahead and directly open Teams application and continue the process. However, you can also download Teams for free on your computer right now or on your cell phone or maybe tablet device. By the way, I'm going to go ahead and cancel this pop-up and I will continue my process in the web browser. Welcome back. With your account, you will see your username right there and your Skype chats and contacts are ready. Let's get you started in Microsoft Teams. So I'll click on Get Started. That's what you do. So all my chats, my contacts and everything, including communities, everything is going to be already right here. This is all what you need to do in order to migrate your Skype data with Teams and you are all set. Additionally, I'd like to add, if you're a paid Skype user with subscriptions, maybe like a Skype phone or a credit, here's something that you need to know. Your existing subscriptions will auto renew until April 3rd, 2025. Also, after May, this dial pad in Skype will not be available in applications. It will be only available in the web portal, which you can access like the way we are doing right now in this web browser. You're done here with the migration process. You've got all your chats now already migrated with the Teams. However, if you do not want to continue the Teams and you want to be done with the Skype and Teams, all this situation, you can go ahead and also export the chat history and the files from Skype. And to do so, you'd have to get to this website, which is secure.skype.com/en/data-export. When you click on this link, you'll be taken to this web page directly, that is export files and chat history. Request a copy of your files and chat history. You'll be able to download a copy of your Skype chat history, all available files, including files that were shared with you or that you shared with somebody. Additionally, you must know Skype data will be available until January 2026 for you to export or delete. If you log into your Microsoft Teams free by then, your Skype calls, chat history will be available to you. If you take no action, your Skype data will be deleted in the month of January 2026 next year. So you go ahead and click on these two checkboxes right here, conversation and files, and click on submit. Your export is being prepared. This might take a while. You can periodically check the status of your export on this page. Continue. As soon as this process is completed, here is the log, conversation and files that is being requested for the export. You can keep checking on this page the status of your data export. All right, everyone, this is pretty much it in this video. If you are also a Skype user and you don't want Teams, go ahead and export your data files and everything, or just move on with Teams now before it is too late. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Are you still using Skype in 2025, or you're already moved on to Teams, or you're using some third-party application? If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like, share it with your friends who might find it useful, and subscribe for more tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You're watching Crazy Editors. You have a lovely rest of day, and I'll see you in the next one.